Allah. Ba is the beginning of Bismillah. Ta is for taqwa, bewailing of Allah. And Tha is for thawab, a reward. Ja is for Jannah, the garden of paradise. Ha is for Hajj, the blessed pilgrimage. Kha is for Khatam, the seal of the prophethood given to the prophet Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa sallam. Da is for Deen, Al-Islam, religion with Allah since time began. Tha is for dhikr, remembering Allah. And Ra is for the month of Ramadan. Oh, Ramadan. Za is for zakat, to cure our greed when we give our money to those in need. Sa is for salamun alaykum, peace be with you, wa alaykum salam. Sha is for shams, the shine